Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what Git already knows about you. Run git config global list to see global identity, and git config local list inside a repo to compare. Once done, decide whether you want this change to apply to every repository, use global, or only to the current repo. Now open a terminal at the repository root if you're doing a local change, because the next commands write directly into Git's configuration files and must run in the intended scope. Next, set your identity explicitly so commits carry the right author. For a global update, run git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example.com. If you want the change only for this repository, run those two commands without global while inside the repo. After that, verify with git config user. Name and git config user. Email to confirm the active values. Make sure to use the exact email tied to your remote hosting account to avoid. Finish by correcting any recent commits that still show the old identity. For the last commit, run git commit amend reset author no edit, and then git push force with lease if already pushed. To rewrite many commits, use git filter branch or git filter repo rewriting author/committer fields, then push rewritten history carefully. If you run into push errors, make sure your credential helper is set, authenticate correctly, and understand force pushing implications. Troubleshooting tip: if emails still appear wrong, confirm the remote hosting account email and credential cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.